Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of South Korea Travels. This week I'm excited to bring you guys back to the city of Seoul. We're heading to the Tongin Traditional Market near Gyeongbokgung Palace. I'm excited to show you guys some of the different foods that they have available there, so come with me on this exciting adventure.
Anywhere you want it, anywhere you want it, yeah. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go.
So the Tongin Traditional Market was originally established in 1941, and over the years it has grown to over 75 restaurants and stalls. Within the marketplace, you can find all sorts of different traditional Korean food, along with groceries and other food items. You can find other things to purchase like shoes and clothing as well. But what really makes the Tongin Traditional Market really special is their unique currency system. For 5,000 won, you can get a set of brass coins called yeopjeon, along with a carry-out container. You can walk around to the different food stalls and pick out different foods that you want to eat for your lunch. Now, 5,000 won is enough for one person to get a meal if you're really careful with choosing what items you want to buy. But if you want to try a larger variety of the different items that they have at the different stalls, I'd suggest spending about 10,000 won. It's still enough for 2 people to eat, but you can get a wide variety of the different foods. Now, getting to the Tongin Market is super easy, especially if you're already in the area to visit Gyeongbokgung. You take the line number 3 to Gyeongbokgung Station, walk for about 7 or 8 minutes, and you are right there in the Tongin Market. So if you've been wandering around the palace all day and you want to get something to eat, it's a quick stop over, pretty cheap and affordable, and you can try a bunch of different delicious traditional Korean food. The stalls that participate in the Doserak Cafe program with the yeopjeon, they'll have a pink sign located either on the table or hanging to let you know that they accept the yeopjeon coins. Don't have to worry if you don't have enough coins, or if you see something that you want to buy but they don't accept the coins. You can always pay in cash. It was a real challenge to figure out which food items I wanted to try because you only have a limited amount of yeopjeon. While you can pay in cash as well, I think it kind of takes the fun out of using the yeopjeon to pay for the different food items. Some of the places will have specific menu items that you can trade the yeopjeon for, like one of the ones that sold like tteokbokki and other items. They specifically had fried chicken available if you're using yeopjeon. But overall, I thought I got a pretty good selection of food. I came there hungry, not knowing what kind of food to expect, and so I think that was a mission success. So if you guys were going to visit the Tongin Traditional Market, what food items would you choose with your yeopjeon? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.